Looks good, right? It looks absolutely amazing. Power button, you probably see it moving a little bit because it's on it now. Now, if this isn't enough power for What is going on, everybody? It's Micah back with Versatile Productions, back here to talk about something that I am glad showed up on my front door. Shout out to TaoTronics for sending this over. This is their massage gun. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. They are running a deal on it. I think it's normally 80, but they're running a deal for like 30. I don't know how long that will last, but yo, perfect timing. You know, I did work for the post office. That's, you know, strenuous on your legs. I'm back at FedEx delivering. It's gonna be stress on the body overall. So what perfect timing it was to get this package. And ooh, I like this. Got a carbon fiber look to it. This is the traveling case you get with it. This is super nice. Here's the handle right here. Yo, TaoTronics got a decent little presentation for their product. So upon opening it, you get a bunch of different massage heads that will help, of course, massage your body. And the whole point of it is to be somewhat of a deep tissue type of situation. Of course, plan that accordingly. Use it at your discretion, how intense you need it and want it, but it will definitely help loosen up your muscles, loosen up any tension that you have in given area that you will use this massage gun on. For me, it's definitely gonna be in my legs area, you know what I'm saying, calves and the like. So let's check this out. Of course, upon opening it, this is what you're greeted with. If I can get in, bam, that's what you're greeted with right there. Very clean, very clean. You got all your little heads in here. Here's your thank you for choosing TaoTronics. You got your warranty extension that you can use, of course. So upon opening this, I believe you get a user manual in here as well. Of course, they have English and additional languages. So I will be using this here. So the extension is for another 18 months. You got 30 days free return shipping, VIP exclusive discounts, and then of course the 18-month warranty extension. Then to register your product, go there. That's what I'll be doing immediately. Trigger points therapy, that's what it's called. Now, here's some caveats. Here's some things to pay attention to. So I'm gonna read them to you guys. It's also in the manual pamphlets as you open it. Use this product only in the soft tissues of the body without causing pain or discomfort. Do not use on any hard parts such as bones, on the head or the body. Whether it is controlled by underground pressure or pressure, it may cause bruises. Often check the massage area. You should stop using immediately once it appears with signs of pain or discomfort. Avoid contact with the massage head and the body at the finger, hair, or other parts of the body. Beware of pinching. This product is prohibited under the following conditions: blood stasis, tumor site, heart disease with a pacemaker or a defibrillator. If you have experienced joint surgery within 90 days, the product should not be used on the body within 3 inches of the surgical position. Sensitive areas: head, face, cervical vertebrae, spine, vertebral body. Positions close to the bone with less muscle coverage: the humerus, the back of the foot, the back of the hand. So keep these things in mind when you decide you're going to use this. And then of course you have local muscle relaxation, pectoral muscle, deltoid, rotator cuff muscle, bicep brachialis, muscle, brachioradialis, abdominal muscle, let's see, ooh, what is that? Iliopsis, oh my lord. The point is, they give you the amount of time you should use the massaging gun on different parts of the body for the amount of time. So you have 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 25 seconds, 60 seconds, 45 seconds, 60 seconds, 290 seconds, 20 seconds. So pay attention to that as well. In terms of the elbow joint, the flat head vertically down. So it actually gives you and recommends you what head to use. You guys see that there? What head to use on what specific body part. So that will also help and go a long way forward when using the massage gun to properly massage your body. And so they got everything: elbow joint, upper limb, neck and shoulder, knees and toes, lower back, lower limb, knee joint, foot. And they give you the description of the head to use, and of course it got more on the back as well. It might be in a different language, but, or is it? Yeah, it's a different language, but it is the same. It is the same thing I was saying before. So keep that in mind. Definitely something we'll be looking into, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. TaoTronics. Let's see, they got the auto display off. Okay, so this is basically the manual, the user guide in terms of how to operate it, and so that's what we're going to be getting into here very shortly on how to operate it. There's low noise, 20 levels of intensity, high torque motor, 6 massage heads, rechargeable battery, lightweight and portable digital display. Now there's a one that the NBA endorses called Hyper Ice. That one I'm also interested in checking out, maybe even to compare against this one. But I do like the fact that they give you a description of the heads right here as well. So, you know, if the description doesn't help when looking at the different parts of the body to massage, here's the description of what the head is based off the name or the description for said body part. Ooh, I'm glad to get into detail like that, because that's what you need when trying to use something like this. The battery capacity is 2600 milliamps. Charge time takes about 3 hours, and the working time is between 3 and 10 hours. Frequency is 800 to 3200 RPM. Noise levels between 35 and 53 decibels. Operating temperature is basically between 14 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The storage temperature, they advise 13 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So again, they're very descriptive. 3 to 10 hours for working time isn't bad, and that's because you only have to use it for about 20 seconds, to, anywhere between 20 and 60 seconds at a time. All right, without further ado, let's finally look at this thing. Okay, it's got a nice little heft to it, so it's legit. Hey, I like it. It's really got like this cool carbon fiber look going on. Here's a sticker on the back right here. So as you guys can see, this is your plus and minus, and your power button to turn it on. This is your display that you'll see. This looks like it displays what level of intensity that you're using. You can increase it or decrease it depending on, you know, how it feels to you. So upon peeling this off, just like that, nice and easy. And it's nice and glossy. The gun, it's got a nice rubber feel to it. They do have a, let's see, it said do not charge with non-original power adapter, so that's a nice hazard sticker right there. I don't need that on here because I won't be doing that. So you have head number 1. This looks neat, and how you put the head in is essentially pretty straightforward. I guess you just put it in. Do you screw it into? Oh, you just really push it in, I guess, and it's in. And then you have to. There we go. And then you twist off. Boom. So it's kind of like a suction like feel to it in terms of installing. This is probably like the flathead shape, right? And this is what, you know, you would put in right there. And then you got this bouncy ball looking one I showed you guys before. You guys see on the tips, it's got additional impact for the muscles. You put that on, and you got a little nicer one like this. It's got a different texture to it. I don't want to say nylon, but it's got a different texture to it overall. Looks nice and sharp there. Make sure no bugs about to come get your boy. All right. And then you have this interesting one right here. This might be for like your traps. I'm not 100% certain, but this might be for like your traps. Will be interesting to find out soon enough. And then you have this one right here, which also looks like a flathead screwdriver. And this is another one that you use depending on the body part. So here's your charging cable right here. I'm probably gonna let it charge up before, you know, I officially try to use it, but this is the charger right here. So we're gonna check this out here very soon. We're gonna try this boy out. Woo! All right. Again, I will have the links in the description for you guys if you guys do want to check it out. So without further ado, let's use the thing. All right, what is going on, guys? We're back on the famous basketball court I shot at one time, shooting that one iPhone basketball app video. Back here We're gonna get some balling in so that way we can wear ourselves out to demonstrate how to use a couple of the headpieces for TaoTronics machine or massage gun. So let's get some hooping in and then get to the business. It's been a while. No lie, I turn off the camera because it won't allow me to listen to my buds while I'm recording. Turn it off, instantly catch fire, and find out I'm getting a slight Charlie horse in my left, what's that, quad or thigh? Perfect opportunity to use a massage gun. So let's get to it. All right, so as you guys remember seeing this is a nice luggage case that TaoTronics provides with the machine. I keep saying machine, with the massage gun. So upon opening it here, again, we are greeted, I should have it out here. We are greeted with the gun and the instructions, and as well as basically what some of the tendons and tissue and muscles in your body that each of these heads will help you relieve yourself with. So if you take the gun right here, right? This is the gun. Looks good, right? Looks absolutely amazing. Power buttons on the back. This turns it on. Well, actually at the bottom, you gotta turn it on here. Then up here, I don't think you can probably see, but then you press the on button. You probably see it moving a little bit because it's on now, right? So that's the power button. Now for your lower extremities or your lower limbs, the two heads that are most recommended is the flat head right here and the spherical head right here. These two heads are what you want to use for the massage gun on your legs, specifically around the knees and I'm sure the thigh muscle in the back. So what we're going to start off with is the flat head, of course. You attach it by just pushing it in like that. Now it's in. You just push it in like that, and then you turn this on, and now you see it moving. Now keep in mind there's 20 levels of power that you can increase. And you see, probably hear it, huh? Now I probably have it on like power level 4 or 5, right? So what I'm about to show you now is essentially my leg. And all you gotta do is this. And this helps alleviate tension in your muscles. And this ground is very hot. My hand holding me up is melting right now. Now, if this isn't enough power for you, then of course, you increase the power, right? Now it's going. Now I told you I had pain a little further up my leg where I had a Charlie horse right up in here. This flathead is really universal for most of your body anyway. Now when you come to the neck area, you definitely want to use the U-shaped head because it provides space in between your spine, so that way you're not actually massaging your spine, you're massaging the tissue around your spine. Put this one in. It's in. Turn that power on. As you see, it's going to town. Want to increase the power a little bit? Stay over there, B. And again, showing you my leg. You can probably hear it too, right? That's all it takes. and it just massages. You can go up your leg. You could go around here. Ooh, be careful not to hit a lot of your bones. Stay around the knee, right? Stay around the knee. Don't hit the knee. Ooh, see, it's not a good idea to be up here. Now, along the side of your shin, that makes sense, but in terms, you don't want to be up in that area. You want to be above the knee with the massage gun to provide relief for your knee. That's all it takes. And of course, again, you need more power. You got 20 levels to choose from with this massage gun. Don't forget, again, you got your 2 pamphlets right here that go into detail about tendons and muscles, and then what head to use to massage it. As I mentioned, this U-shaped head right here is good for your neck area and for your back to go along your spine, so that way you actually don't massage your spine. So keep that in mind as well. And that is it for this video for the TaoTronics machine gun. Shout out to them for again sending it out. Links will be in the description below. Hopefully you guys will be interested in getting it. I found relief for it, especially since I've returned to FedEx ground as well. There are some days, especially that first week returning, where I use the massage gun, I think 2 or 3 days straight, and I use it at night right before going to sleep to relax my muscles and my legs and then my lower back to get me into a more comfortable position for the next day. And then since then, I've used it less and less. So like I used it like 1 or 2 days the second week. I may have used it the third week on my feet, but I haven't used it since. But it is a great tool to have, of course, when you just want to massage yourself, or if you have a spouse that may need some relief and they can also massage you. It's a great back and forth as well. So again, great massage gun. I think it retails for somewhere around 80, but they might be having a sale for somewhere around 30, 40. Just check the links in the description. Stay up to date on it if you are interested. But again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know my videos. So we can sit back, check, see what's cracking. With your man Micah signing out. And until the next video, I might have to drop some more basketball content in general. Wait, boy.